Hi kids, I'd like to introduce you to Daisy. There she is. Say hi, Daisy. Show them your tooth. She has one snaggle tooth that sticks out. Daisy and I would like to tell you about two books. The first one is by one of my favorite authors. The writer's name is Jamaica Kincaid, and this book is called Annie John, and it's about a young girl growing up in Antigua, and it's basically about how she feels in her life. And what I love about it is two things. The first thing is that she's completely honest. She doesn't pull any punches. If she feels something, she says it, and she doesn't care what people think. And the other is that the writing is beautiful. It's very poetic. It's not difficult. So you can find it in your local library, and even if you don't read the whole thing, just to read a portion of it will be something lovely. And the second book that I wanted to tell you about, this was not around when I was a kid. My son has loved these series by Matt Christopher, so this is for anyone who's into sports. And this particular one is about baseball. My son is a catcher in high school. He's a junior now, and he actually reread this one a couple of years ago. Shh, don't tell him I said. But they are just great stories about sports and about wanting to win and about the difficulties around if you don't win, how do you deal with that, how do you get better, all that kind of thing. So also in the library, and Matt Christopher has a whole series on all kinds of different sports. So happy reading. Bye-bye.